welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came on here to share with you guys EIN only business credit cards. So EIN only credit cards are for people who have established businesses. So if you have an established business and you have income coming in, these credit cards are perfect for you. But before I get into the video, guys, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on all bell notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video to YouTube. Okay guys, so the first credit card I'm going to start off with is Divvy card. So this is a corporate card. It has free software and flexible business credit for a serious spend and expense upgrade. You can budget with this card. So you can request a demo to get started. Okay guys, so how this card works. Meet your all-in-one expense management solution. So everyone in your company who spends gets a Divvy card. Number 2, spenders request funds with the mobile app. Number 3, they spend as needed, take a photo of their receipt and categorize their spend. Number 4, when they hit their limit, that's it. They can't go over budget. Number 5, every expense is tracked, so the expense reports are automatically created. So access credit lines $1,000 all the way up to $5 million. So they have budget management. You have the mobile app. You can request funds and categorize spend with just a few taps. They have virtual cards and reimbursements. Okay guys, so the next credit card is the Mercury Business Credit Card. With this credit card, it's an all-in-one single product. Apply in less than 10 minutes. No personal credit check. Build business credit. You get 1.5% cash back on all credit card spend, 0 annual fees or interest. Okay, scale confidently with powerful spend management tools. You can get cards for your team. So basically issue as many cards as you need to your team individually or in bulk with our HR and payroll system integrations. Okay guys, so they have business banking, checking and savings account up to $5 million in FDIC insurance through our partner banks and their sweep networks. They have working capital, get flexible, non-dilutive funding from $25,000 to $3 million to support your business at any stage with no requirement for personal guarantee. Okay guys, so the next credit card is Capitalontap. The credit card built for small businesses. Earn 1.5% cash back on all card purchases. Boost your cash back to 2% by switching to weekly auto pay. Apply in under 2 minutes. Go further with credit limits up to $50,000 based on credit worthiness. You get free company cards with spend controls, no annual or FX fees. Apply now. Applying won't affect your credit score. Okay, get rewarded for your business spending. Track card spending in real time, unlimited free company cards, set spend limits for employees, auto sync to 0 in QuickBooks. Okay, so the next credit card is a card called Ramp. This is a business credit card that provides spend visibility and control. So with accounting integrations that will make you love the ERP again. Okay, so they have 5 stars on G2, 5% savings, no personal credit checks, and global acceptance. Okay, so they have complete spend visibility. So get real-time spend visibility across the entire company. Unlock higher limits, get up to 20 times higher credit limits than traditional options thanks to Ramp's precision underwriting. Okay, so the next credit card is a card called Brex. Okay, so Brex is pretty much comparing their card to Ramp's card. So Brex's intelligent finance platform works flawlessly in over 200 countries and 60 currencies. Ramp's doesn't even come close. Okay, so they have the fastest banking, the highest returns. Move money fast and earn up to 4.08% within the same hour. Liquidity. Brex offers the highest returning, lowest risk treasury product, period.
So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please let me know in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on all bell notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video to YouTube, guys. Thanks so much for watching.